it's me, Sansa, and guess what? We're back at Lesmurdie Falls. Last week I came here with just Mom and Dad because Salva was at his friend's house for a sleepover. But today he's with us, so we're doing the hike again so he can have fun too. It's going to be another awesome adventure. So come on and let's get started. Let me show you the different trails we can take here at Lesmurdie Falls. There are 5 trails and each one is a bit different. So let's find the one that's best for us. Trail option 1, Falls Trail. The first trail is the Falls Trail. It's 640 meters long and it takes about 45 minutes to go there and back. This trail is easy and it's perfect if you just want a short walk. It goes beside the brook and leads you to a lookout where you can see the waterfall and the city of Perth. There are even handrails to keep you safe while you enjoy the view. Trail option 2, Foot of the Falls Trail. If you want to get closer to the waterfall, you can take the Foot of the Falls Trail. This one is a bit longer, 2 kilometers, and takes about an hour. It's a little more challenging because it goes down to the bottom of the falls, but the view from down there is totally worth it. You'll also walk beside the brook as you head back. Next is Shoulder Trail. This one is 1.5 kilometers long and takes about an hour too. It's a bit tricky because you have to cross a brook and walk on some uneven ground. But once you get to the other side, you'll see some really cool dark rocks called delarites and a beautiful view of the falls, and the coastal plain is great if you want to see something special. Trail option 4, Valley Loop. Then there's a Valley Loop. This one is 3 kilometers long and takes about 2 hours, so it's the longest trail here. It's a bit more challenging because it has uneven and gravelly parts, but it's super fun. You'll follow the brook cross over it and walk up to the scarp, which is like a big cliff. If the water is flowing, you can cross the brook on the way back too. Trail option 5, Lesmurdie Brook Loop. Finally, there's the Lesmurdie Brook Loop. This trail is 1.5 kilometers long and takes about an hour. It's an easy walk that follows the brook upstream and along the way. You'll see handcrafted bridges and seats where you can take a break. This trail is really nice if you just want a peaceful, relaxing walk in nature. So those are the trails we can explore here at Lesmurdie Falls. Today we're going to do the falls trails and maybe the Foot of the Falls trails too. I'm excited, so let's get started. know that Lesmurdie Falls is part of something called the Darling Scarp? The rocks here are super old, like 2.6 billion years old! That's even older than dinosaurs. The Darling Fault is what made this area so special. And over millions of years, it created these awesome cliffs and the waterfall we see today. Isn't it cool how the earth changes over time? I love learning about nature when we go on hikes.
Kalau ke sana apa ya? Kalau ke sana. Ayo, Pak. Kamu bunda video ya? Hah?
settle and nobody's innocent. Hand in mouth, we live like demons, stuck in the phantom zone, lost in a thunderdome. Twilight ruled the day. We found the impossible, now we're unstoppable. Taking off the world beneath us, strong under pressure, we'll make it together. Our universe will change. Freedom, looking down a telescope. Starlight, never been so beautiful. Whole world waiting for us, time to go. Escaping gravity. We'll be rising high above the rain. Sunset, never gonna be the same. Thunder calling us to outer space. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Straight to the galaxy, faster than sanity. Left behind a land forsaken. Black holes and meteors, riding on shooting stars. Feelings
Hati-hati ya, jangan
like
pleset.
our dreams. We shoot down a satellite, wings of a butterfly. Constellations recreate and fighting for liberty. Raising the energy, bursting at the seams. Freedom, looking down a telescope. Starlight, never been so beautiful. Whole world waiting for us, time to go. Escaping gravity. We'll be rising high above the rain. Sunset, never gonna be the same. Thunder calling us to outer space. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Starlight dances in the silver of the night sky. Way above the clouds, we will be sailing high, sailing high, sailing high. Ooh, you and me, we're gonna touch the stars, find the center of the universe. New reality.
We're on our way back now, and I have to say this was another awesome hike. We saw beautiful views, learned about rocks that are older than dinosaurs, and Sansa got to see the waterfall too. Lesmurdie Falls is definitely a place every family should visit. I'm so glad I got to come this time. I can't wait to come back again. Thanks for coming on this adventure with us. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more of our fun hikes. Until next time, keep exploring and have fun outdoors. Bye!